Today on Mom to Mom, we're making your very own bug repellent. Summertime is almost here and those pesky little mosquitoes are very annoying, and so you really don't want to go out and buy those citronella candles because sometimes they can be kind of expensive. Well, you can actually make your own mosquito repellent right in your own home with some very simple, easy ingredients. So what we're gonna need are some mason jars. You're gonna need a lemon and a lime and some basil. And then of course, lemongrass essential oils. They really hate the smell of this, so this is a key right here. And then you can get these little floater candles at any craft store or Amazon. They're super cute and very inexpensive. So let's put this guy together and make these mosquitoes say bye-bye. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna cut your lemon. One lemon probably will fill up 2 jars. You'll slice that up and put it right into the mason jar. Then you'll cut your lime. You'll put a couple of pieces in the mason jar. Then you can stick your basil in the mason jar. Once you have all that put together, then you can fill it up with water. Now once you have the water up to the very top of the mason jar, you're gonna put in about 10 to 15 drops of your lemongrass essential oil. Once that's in, you can put your candle in, stick it outside and light it up and just enjoy how cute these little mason jars are. Now I will tell you, this one I made about 3 days ago, so they'll last anywhere from 2 to 5 days depending on your basil, but it still smells so good. So I have a good feeling that these things will probably last a full 7 days with the essential oil in it. So enjoy, hope these work for you, and if you have any wonderful ideas on how to keep those pests away during the summertime, you can message us up on our Facebook page. We'll see you on the next Mom to Mom.